In this video, we'll be learning how to build a Shopify store. So first, you'll need to create an account. So if you use the link in the description, you can get a discount of $1 per month for the first 3 months. And this is an affiliate link, so it'll help support the channel. So once you create an account, you should have access to a dashboard that looks like this. So this is where we'll be working to set up our website. Okay, so first we'll need to pick a theme. So click online store and then themes. And then this is the default theme, but we can choose these other popular themes so that we get some already made content. Okay, so just go to the free themes. Okay, since we're gonna make a watch brand store, I think this one would look good because it would showcase the images. So let's just double check the other ones. Yeah, I like this one, the craft theme. So let's try this theme. Okay, so the theme is being uploaded to the store. Okay, next we'll activate the craft theme. So to do that, just click publish. And then we can click customize. Okay, so there's a lot of placeholders here already. So we would just need to go in and add our own content and products and collections. Okay, so first let's just create a quick logo using Canva. So I created this one, just picking out a template, and it's just a basic logo for a luxury watch brand. So just going to download this. And then go here to customize. And then in the header, we can edit the logo. Select image, upload logo. Okay. I would want it to be transparent. See how big we can get this. Okay, yeah, it looks better, but let's just make it transparent. Oh yeah, this looks nice. Okay, let's just keep it like this. Okay, click save. And then next we can work on setting up some menus. So now we'll work on adding products. Let's go to products and then add product. And let's just go to Alibaba to get some product samples. So let's go to AliExpress and just search watch, men's watch. Okay, I like this one here. Let's change this to Canada. Okay, so we can import this to Shopify. So let's just I don't like the title, so let's just rewrite it. Okay, so it's called Olive's Watch. Olive's Classic Watch. Yeah, let's just call it the Olive's Classic. In the description, it's a lot here, so let's just get something quick. Yeah, I like that it's a quartz movement watch, so we can mention that. Quartz watch. Modern and suitable for the office and formal wear. And let's just add the specifications as well. Just copy and then just paste it here. Okay, and just get some of the images. Okay, let's get this blue one. Okay, I need the full image. So how can we get the full image? Let's just search image with Google. Okay, great. So this one here. Okay, so that's not working. So let's just okay, let's just screen capture it. Okay, price will be $249 compared to $399. Okay, charge tax, and then this is just so you'll know your margins. So it's about $25 per, and then you can just put a SKU. So let's just say SKU 000. Okay, continue selling when out of stock. And then, yeah, since this will be dropship, you don't need to have inventory on hand, unless if you're buying this in bulk, then you can fill out the quantity here. Okay, and then weight. This is for shipping. 132 grams. And then where is this manufactured? In China. Okay, let's just do one version first. So this is the blue one, so Olive's Classic Watch Blue. And then click Save. Okay, next we'll work on setting up collections. So collections are needed in order to house products. So right now Shopify by default comes with a homepage collection, but let's create a new collection called watches. And then Shopify provides two ways to create collections. So there's the manual way and the automatic way. Since we aren't having a big catalog, I would just prefer the manual way, so you can just add products yourself. Okay, so you don't really need a description or a collection image, so you can just click Save. And then we'll add in our product, so just go to Browse and just add the one product for now. Okay, and we can view this collection on our store. Okay, watches, and there's the product. So that's how you create a collection using Shopify. Okay, next we'll work on editing the homepage. So what you want to do is click Edit Homepage. And then we'll just update the heading. So affordable luxury watches. Okay, and then just a little description. Upgrade your style with high QT's luxury brand. Then a collection, which is the one we just made. And then an image. So we're just gonna go on Unsplash to find some free images. So let's just search something that gives a luxurious vibe. Luxury so like a scene where our watch would be worn. So something like this. Wearing this watch on a beach is something you can portray with your brand. Okay, so just replace the image. Okay, that looks good. And then, so we don't have any more collections, so let's just, can we hide this? We can hide this section by going here and just clicking the hide icon. You don't have a video as well. Okay, so we can just fill out this little blurb here. Just talking about your brand. IQT represents the highest level. Let IQT share your success. Represent your success. Not only financially, but through but in all aspects of your life. Let's just make it more compelling, okay? And just 3 columns. So let's see. Lifetime warranty. Made with the high with quality. And then I just replicated one, so let's just remove that. And then just supply and demand, so let's write limited quantity. Just running just a quick blurb, lifetime warranty. Craftsman with over 200 plus years in the industry. As a leading brand. Unlimited quantity. Watches are made to order, and screening process required to determine if you're the right fit to how would you say, not wear, but be an ambassador of high cutie. Yeah, I would buy the watch now after reading that. Okay, so just again hide this section. Okay, this one can hide. And then this section as well, we can hide for now. Then blog we can keep for now, so we'll add that. And then the marketing newsletter, that can be kept for marketing purposes. Okay, so I think this is good just to start off. So let's just click save for now. Okay, next we'll work on setting up the navigation. So to do that, you would just go to navigation and then the main menu. Okay, so here we have catalog, and then just home, catalog, and contact. Let's just add our collection. So watches, and then collection. We just add that here, and then we can just get rid of catalog. Okay, click save, and then view our store. Okay. Yeah, so now it's showing now. Okay, you see here, it says what home, watches, and contact. Okay, and this is just a basic contact page for anyone that needs to reach the business. And then when you click watches, it leads to the watches collection page. And then if you click the watches, the product page. Okay, next we'll work on building some blog pages. So to do that, you would just go to blog posts and then create blog posts. So let's just say why iQT watches are worth the money. Let's just change this to valuable. And then just some lorem ipsum. Okay, so then we can just add an excerpt. So that's just like the little summary that the user will see before they click your post. Just a little summary. And then we can add a featured image. So again, let's go back to Unsplash. Search watch. Okay. Something with the landscape view. Okay, this one over here. And then add image. Okay, and this just goes in the news, and you can put tags, which helps with when people search your website, search your blog. And then this is for SEO, so it automatically fills it out, but you can modify this if needed. So this is just for ranking on Google. And then you can click save. And then just make sure this is set to visible as well. Okay, and then click view. Okay, so there's our little post, and then let's see if it's on the homepage now. Okay, so we still need to edit this, so let's just go back to customize. Okay, this section, and then just click select blog news. Okay, and there we go. So this section is done. Okay, and then let's see if we can fix this one. This one's fine. And these are just quick links, so we can add links to the footer as well. And then this is just a heading, so let's just put a brand name. So iQT watches, and then contact, let's just say store hours. store hours and just contact information. So just email, phone number, and then address. And then click save. Okay, next we'll work on setting up the preferences. So go to preferences, then homepage title. So we can just write the store name, luxury watches. And then this is just a description of the website. So this is for SEO purposes. And so this will be the description that appears on Google. So we can just write cutie luxury watches a brand made for the highest achievers. Our latest products. So yeah, just something basic like that. And this is just the social sharing images. So when you would post your website link on Facebook or Twitter, this is what will show. And then this is Google Analytics. So if you have that, you can enter that here, as well as your Facebook pixel. And this one, so we're just serving Canadian customers. So this one is just can be left like this. Okay, next we'll work on the settings. So you want to set up payments in order to complete orders. So I would recommend just using the Shopify payments. So to do this, you would just need to fill out your address and then connect to your business bank account. They also offer other methods such as PayPal. So you can use either PayPal or Shopify, as well as some manual payments as well, such as cash on delivery and just money orders. Okay, next we'll work on setting up the checkout process. So to do that, just click checkout. Then we can customize checkout. Okay, so this is our checkout page. So we can update the colors, but this is all part of the theme setting. So this will update all of the theme's colors. The font, layout, buttons. Yeah, so checkout, we can just go here. So there's a background image, the logo. Let's just use our same logo. Select. Put it in the center, and then large size. Okay, so that should be good for the checkout. So let's go back. Oops, forgot to save, so just save. Let's go back and then continue with the settings. The next one is shipping and delivery. So this is all depending on the shipping company you use. So you can just manage it through here. So since this is being shipped from China, you would have to check with the item that you're shipping what kind of postage they offer. So from China to Canada, it's about 3 weeks. So we can state that in the shipping settings. So shipping from manage say shipping to shipping. Okay, so we have that already, so let's just manage it here. No, we need to create a shipping zone. Okay, Canada. And then add rate. Okay, so again, this would need to be checked with your posting provider. So again, we would need to create a custom flat rate just because this is coming from China. So we can do a free shipping method. So to do that, we can just go to set up your own rates, then custom flat rate, and then this one would just be called free shipping. And then, yeah, so it's on all orders. So let's click done. Okay, click save. Okay, and so that should be it for the shipping. Okay, next it's taxes and duties. So this is dependent on what country you reside in. So you can just put in your country and then just double check with your tax laws on what you should be charging. So yeah, just include taxes and price. Okay, and that should be good. And then next we can go to location. So again, you would put your store address here. This is for creating shipping labels and setting up the deliveries. If you want to do store pickup, but if you're just doing drop shipping, then this isn't really important because it's not being shipped directly through your registered business address, unless if you're just ordering them in bulk and then shipping them directly. So that's also an option. So then next, gift cards. So this is just the settings for gift cards. So you can just set up if you want them to expire, but we'll just leave it on default. So market. So this is when you're ready to offer international sales. So if you're looking to expand, reaching other countries, then you can set that up through markets that you want to sell to. Okay, apps and sales channel. No, we can just skip that for now. And then next we can do domains. So for domains, you can just connect an existing domain, or you can buy a new domain directly through Shopify if you don't have one. So let's check out our brand. iqt.com is available. Okay, so you would just click buy. Okay, and then you would fill out the details for that once you purchase the domain. And then it would be connected to your Shopify store. Okay, customer event. So this is for if you want to do like custom tracking, but we're not going to go into too much detail with that for this video. So we'll just skip that for now. And then this is just for branding. So you can just add your logo. Okay, this is just so the same that we did in preferences. You can just re-add that here for branding. And then these are for the email notifications, so you can customize the email templates. So when someone makes a purchase, the email will look like this. So it looks pretty bad without the logo. So let's add the logo. Okay. Yep, so that looks better. Let's try to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, a bit smaller. Yeah, that's okay for now. So again, you can also just edit this color as well, just to suit your branding. The color of the buttons. And then after, you can cycle through all the other emails here. So order edited, just to make sure it's as expected. So if there's any kind of text you want to change, you would just pick the email and then edit the code. So you need to have some kind of background in HTML in order to edit this. But if you just find like certain like text like here, like view or your order, you can just edit that without too much issues. But just be careful with editing that you don't accidentally overwrite any of these tags, because that will break the email. So click save. And then if you preview it, yeah, so it did update here. It says now view your new order. Okay, so that's it for notifications. You can just run through all these as well, shipping, just to make sure it's the messaging matches with what you want. Meta fields, okay, we can skip that for now. File, so if you want to upload any logos to be used in your theme, you can upload that here. Logos or any images. And then languages. So again, if you're trying to build an international store, you would add your language here, and then that would translate your store. And then policies, okay, so yeah, so this is important. So this is for so your refund policy, privacy policy in terms of service and shipping. So Shopify offers some free ones, so you can just click this and just fill it out according to your policies. Okay, so shipping policies, all orders take 3 to 4 weeks to arrive. After payment is made. And then just contacts, so just email, contact at iqd.com. Okay, and just click save. Okay, and that should be it for the settings. Let's just double check store details. Yep, just make sure your store currency is the same as which you want to be receiving payment in. But if you're looking to sell internationally, there's some currency conversion applications. So you can check those if you decide to sell internationally. Okay, so the website is almost ready. So let's just go through some of the parts of the admin. So if you go to customers, when you get a order, you can view your customers here just to get a summary of their orders, and you can just keep track of their profile. And here's an important one as well, is orders. So when you get your orders, they'll be viewed here. And if you want to create like a draft order to be paid later, by maybe you're doing like a pop-up shop, you can do that through here. And then abandoned checkout. So this is only available for some upgraded plans, but this is where customers will be sent an email if they don't check out and they have items in their cart. And then this one is analytics. This is just shows you your total sales and just some important metrics about your website. And again, this is just more detailed reports. Okay, and this one is discount. So if you want to set up coupon codes, you would do that through here. So you can do free shipping. Okay, so yeah, we'll set one here for free shipping. So this one is just free shipping. Okay, just all countries, no minimum purchases. Limit number of times. So this one, if you just want it to be one-time use, but we'll use it unlimited times. Okay. There's no real limit on this one because it's a shipping discount. So click save. Okay. Next, we can look at just apps. So if you want to expand your store further, you can look into the App Store. So there's a ton of apps available to help your store. So from drop shipping to, again, if you're planning to advertise on Facebook and Instagram. So there's a lot of apps that you can use, which will help benefit your store. So we're just going to go into customize. Okay, and then we're just going to change the announcement bar to say enter use code launch for 10% off. Let's make it launch 10. Okay, click save. And I have to go to theme settings, and we're just going to clean up some of the sections. So first color, so everything here is matching with our logo, so let's just keep it the way it is. So typography, so this is if you want to change your font. So layout, just the overall layout, but we can just keep it. And then buttons, and then inputs, so that's just the inputs down in the email newsletter. Okay, so let's just go through the pages. So first the collection page. Okay, so everything looks good. Okay, let's go within the individual product page. Okay, so here you can edit all the details of the product page. I'm just gonna hide these ones at the bottom here because they're not being used. Then let's keep share. Then remove image with text. So we can just hide that for now. Product recommendations, we only have a few products, so let's just hide that as well. And then email signups, yeah, I'll just hide email signups so we can just focus on conversions. So just hide that as well. Okay, then that looks good. Let's click save. Okay, next let's go to the cart page. Okay, so this is the cart page. Let's just remove all the unnecessary stuff like this featured collection section. But to remove this, you can just click it and then just go to remove section at the bottom. And then again, remove the email sign up so we can just focus on converting the customer. Okay, this looks good. Let's hit save. And let's just double check the checkout page. Okay, this looks good. Everything is fairly just default. So yeah, all these pages looks good. Let's just exit. And let's make that discount that we created called launch 10. So order off discount, launch 10. Okay, and it'll be 10% off when they enter the code. And we'll just make this a one-time use. And click save. Okay, and if you want to share this link on social media, you can just use this link here and just share this link. Okay, so I think that's everything. Let's just view the store. So this is how to set up just a basic Shopify website. So you're able to do everything from choosing a product. So let's add to cart first. Okay, check out. Okay, so we're able to check out here. You would just need to enter your shipping, and your customers can make a payment, assuming that you have your Shopify payment set up or PayPal, so that you can receive payments. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you learned how to set up just a basic Shopify website. And if you're interested in getting a professionally done e-commerce website with my agency Maplet Media, then you can just contact me through email or through my website mapletmedia.ca. And I hope you like and subscribe for more content like this.